so.
Hey, my little brother follows you on YouTube.
Hey guys, what is up? It's been such a long time. I've missed you guys. It's been crazy. I want to talk to you guys a lot about that. But before we begin this video, all I ask is two things for you guys. Okay. One, obviously, like the video. I think it helps out the video so much. So if you guys can please click that like button, it helps out so much with the channel. So thank you guys very much. Thing number two, I want to ask you guys a question. Okay, I want to get both, right? But I'm kind of stuck. Which one should I get first? Okay, you guys know I have a supercharged G35 right there in the back just sitting, and well, I do lose a little bit of traction when it comes to second gear, and so I kind of want to fix that issue. I want to go ahead and upgrade my tires. So what do you guys think? Should I get better rear tires, or should I get a lightweight or aluminum drive shaft? I want to get both eventually. I want to get one right now. Should I get the drive shaft or should I get the tires? I kind of want to get the tires because if I get the drive shaft, it's going to make my wheels spin maybe a little bit faster and I'm still not going to get any traction. So might as well upgrade the tires so we can at least get some traction and maybe upgrade the drive shaft up later on, right? I think that makes sense. So I think I answered my own question. What the hell? With that being said though, I do want to go ahead and give you guys a recap of last episode for those of you guys who are new to this video and just clicked in. You guys are probably confused. Okay, I want to know why the G35 is on limp mode. What happened? Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the clip of what happened in the previous episode, what led to the limp mode, so you guys know the backstory, so you guys can go ahead and understand the story. So the story begins with me and my friend Genzilla. He released a new product, Dragon Breath. Okay, if you guys are interested, check the link down below. It makes you shoot green flames. He's working on different colors, but it's freaking amazing. So I was gonna go ahead and meet up with him so I can make my G35 shoot flames, right? I was driving, having fun in the G35, especially at night when the weather was so cool, man. It was amazing. I was having the time of my life. Well, we get there and we did our thing. We started shooting flames. Here are the clips. I mean, the car looks amazing, performed amazing, except when we were shooting flames and all of a sudden. Alright guys, so we're going back home. We're in limp mode. You guys can see the VDC, the slip, and the check engine light is on. We're gonna go home and scan the vehicle, see what's wrong with it, but it won't let me rev past 2,000 RPM, and mile per hour seems to be capped around 40 miles per hour. The car decided to just take a dump, turn on all the lights, including the check engine light, the VDC light, and the slip light, and we're like, holy crap, what went out? Usually when that happens, it could be that your camshaft sensors just went out, or it could be crankshaft sensors. I mean, there could be a lot of different possibilities. We get home, we scan the car with my $25 scanner, and we get two codes. We get P2135, I believe, and P0222. Both codes in relation to the throttle body. We go ahead and do throttle body relearn processes and all that, and nothing's working. What I do when I get frustrated, everybody on my channel knows that. What I do when I get frustrated that I cannot fix my car, I take it to my mechanic. He is a freaking genius when it comes to cars. Well, so I went ahead and took the car over to my mechanic's house, and these are the kind of damages that he found on the G35. So I believe the issue was that the wires, that the throttle body sensor wires, they were hitting, clashing. I guess we just didn't organize the wire, so they were just dangling, and I guess the wire happened to cling on into the headers while we were shooting flames, and you guys know headers get absolutely insanely ridiculously hot. It got super hot and it pretty much melted the wire. So pretty much I'm gonna make the story a lot shorter. He freaking taped it, wired it, did a lot of things to it. The car started to work again. He resetted the code, everything. It was freaking amazing. And then I took a super long trip to Los Angeles, as some of you guys know. Also, shout out to those who recognized me at Universal Studios. That was absolutely insane. I was not expecting that at all. So shout out to you guys. It was an amazing feeling. But yeah, I spent the weekend over there with my parents. They wanted a little small vacay, so now I'm back. And so I was gonna go ahead and turn on the car to give you guys some footage, explain to you guys what I just explained. And the car took a dump again. Hell yeah. Let's go ahead and give her a cold startup. Got another check engine light on. That's not good. Hey guys, so I want to show you guys a little bit of what I did. You guys see that damaged wire? You can see how it's a different color. So that's the part that probably burned off. Plus you can see this other side was damaged as well. So what I did here was pretty much cut the damaged part, like the section that was damaged. Pretty much cut it off, took it out, and now we're pretty much peeling the wires again, peeling that coating. And then we're gonna go ahead, we already tapped off this side, we're gonna go ahead and connect it to this side. And then hopefully this method works. Hopefully all the wires are good and nothing else is damaged, and then we can go ahead and start up the car. Alright guys, we're all done putting the wires together. All I pretty much gotta do is connect the battery and see if this thing starts. Yes sir, yes sir. I think we are back in business, boys. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm so happy when things work out like how they're supposed to, man. That's freaking awesome, bro. Let's go. Guys, the car is now all together. We rewired the wires, took out that section that was damaged. We took it out and then rewired the wires, of course, like we connected them again together. The car seems to be working fine now. We went ahead and started it, resetted the battery. I mean, everything's looking good. So we're going to go ahead and take this out and give you guys some more clips of driving the boosted G35. It's an absolutely amazing thing. I love watching clips. Even before I had my boosted G35, I would just watch clips of just boosted G35s making insane noises. It was like a dream come true, and now we get ahead and experience it. So we're going to go ahead and take it out for you guys and then give you guys some footage. Brother, tell him I appreciate the support, brother. Thank you. Hell yeah. Nice Subi.